यहाँ पे कार्तिका रोमी और फरजाना के मार्क्स दिए हैं, क्विज 1 क्विज 2 और इन टर्म के इन 100 मार्क्स। सो कह रहा है कि T2 मीन्स इट इज रोमी मार्क्स। यस, T2 मीन्स रोमी। T2 x1 x2 x3 is equal to 1/100, 20x1 50x2 50x3, 20 50 and 50. Yes, row 2, it is correct. Then the next is wrong. Obviously first is correct, so this one will be wrong. Next is saying that x1 is equal to 20%, x2 20 and x3 60%. Then T1 x1 x2 x3 will be 44. Let's see here. T1 represents the Karthika marks. So x1 is equal to 20%, मतलब क्विज 1 का 20%, यानी कि 40 का 20%, it will be 8, 50 का 20 will be 10 and 60 का 60% will be 36. Then all total will be 54. So this will be wrong and this will be right, 54. Then it is asking for the if 20 20 and 60 percentage will be taken, then Farzana obtained the highest total marks. Let's calculate the Romi and Farzana marks. Romi will be 4 10 30, it will be 44 and Farzana will be 56. So Farzana is the highest marks. This is also correct. And T1 is a linear mapping from R3 to R. Yes, it is a linear mapping. Why linear mapping? Because linear mapping has two properties. If T V is equal to V prime and T U is equal to U prime, so T U plus V is equal to V prime plus U prime, and we can see that if T1 is equal to 54 and T2 will be 44. So if we will add T1 and T2, then it will be 40 plus 20 will be 60 and 50 50 will be 100 and 60 50 will be 110. Let's calculate 20 20 and 60%. This 20 will be 12, this 20 will be 20 and this 60 will be 66. Then the total will be 8 2 1 3 6 3 9 98. And if we will add 54 and 44, it will be 98. So this is the fulfilling this property. You can check whether the second property it will be T constant C V is equal to C multiplied by TV. It will also be fulfilled by this. That's why this is the linear mapping. Let's see the another question. This question we have explained in the practice assignment. The same question is the chemical composition and make a matrix. This is the CO x1 x2 x3 x4, 4 variable is there. Let's have x1 x2 x3 x4. First make this equation in a homogeneous form, means these two will be come in left side with negative signs and is equal to be 0, and the carbon hydrogen oxygen 3 molecule is there. Make a matrix of the composition. In x1 carbon having 1, x2 have carbon having 0, x3 minus 6, x4 is equal to 0. Like this the matrix will be 1 0 minus 6 0 0 2 minus 12 0 2 1 minus 6 minus 2. If you do the row reduced echelon form RREF, then we will get the matrix. Final matrix will be this: 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 by 6. So the what is the nullity? Nullity is the independent variable, number of independent variable. There is a one, number of independent variable is one. So you can calculate the null space, and the dimension of the null space will be the nullity. That also will be one. So nullity will be one. Let's see. The nullity of the matrix will be one. This is the basis of null space. Basis of null space. What will be null space? It will be if the independent variable will take the t, then x1 will be t, x2 will be t, and x3 will be t by 6, and x4 will be t. So it will be t comma t comma t by 6 comma t, and 1 by 6 comma 1. So it will be t by 6 comma t. So it will be 6 and 6 by 6 1. So this will be correct. This will be wrong. The basis of null space matrix, this will also be wrong. This also be wrong. There are infinitely many ways to balance the chemical composition, because this equation having the many solution, not a unique solution. Okay, that's right. Come to the next question. Yeah, it is as done already. I have explained it. Choose the set of correct options. The null space of a scalar matrix is always the zero vector space. The null space of a scalar matrix. A scalar matrix having all pivot entry, and it is the having unique solution, no independent variable, so its nullity is zero, and the null space will be the zero vector space. Scalar matrix, sorry, null space of a scalar matrix is always the zero vector space. Solution for zero. null space of a scalar matrix. null space क्या होगा, तो solution space होता है. solution space nullity will be zero, so null space will be null space of a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix A 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 A. So what will be the null space? Scalar matrix. Null space will be there is no any independent variable, so it will be the 0 comma 0 comma 0. Null space with this. The null space of a scalar matrix is always the zero vector space. No, the scalar matrix can be zero matrix also. Here is not mentioning that non-zero scalar matrix. This is also a scalar matrix. For non-zero scalar matrix, the null space of a scalar matrix will be always zero. But for this zero matrix, it is not zero matrix. It can be anything 1 comma 1 comma 1. So for this, it is not fulfilling this. So this is wrong option. Always, if it is mentioned that the null space of a non-zero is scalar matrix, then it will be always zero. The null space of a non-zero scalar matrix is always the zero vector space. Yes, the second option, it is correct. The third option, nullity of a non-zero scalar matrix is always zero. Non-zero scalar matrix nullity will be always zero. Yes, because zero vector space, nullity will be zero. The rank of a non-zero scalar matrix is always same as the order of the matrix. Yes, this you can see the identity matrix is the rank of this matrix is 3, and order is also 3. The rank of a non-zero scalar matrix is always 0. Now this is wrong. We have seen earlier. So come to the next question. Which of the following maps are linear transformation? Yes, the linear transformation having two properties I have explained earlier. Tu plus v is equal to tu plus tv, and tcv is equal to c dot tv. So this is having the constant terms, so it will not fulfill for the first one. So this is not the linear transformation. The second one, 9x plus 5y 7x minus number, yes, it can be linear transformation. For further clarification, we have to check these two properties, but in the first glance we can say that this is the linear transformation. And the last one is also, we can say, the linear transformation. Let's see the third option, 10 mod x and 0. Check number 4. The t of 4 will be 40 comma 0, and t of minus 4 will be 40 comma 0, and t 4 minus 4 will be by this rule, it will be at t comma, it should be at t comma 0, but it will be t0 will be 0 comma 0. That's why it is not true. 0 comma 0 is not equal to at t comma 0. That's why the third option is not true, and second and fourth is right. See the next question. Consider a map R2 to R2 where t is equal to a, b is equal to xy variable, and a is a matrix. Which of the following options are correct? First, we have to find the basis of the matrix A. For that, we have to apply the RREF on matrix A, and I have applied, and it will be a identity matrix of order 2. So there is a identity matrix, there is a two independent two dependent variable, two independent column, two independent vector is there. It will explore the whole R2. So it is 1 1, and it is R2 to R2 R2 to R2 transformation, and it is 1 1, so it is also onto, it will both 1 1 and R2. Okay, both 1 1 and R2, and linear transformation also is there. Come to the next question. Consider the matrix A given as follows. Which of the following sets are possible for the null space? For null space, we have to find the solution space of a homogeneous system, and for that we have to convert it in a RREF, row reduced echelon form. I have done it, and the final we have got it. The first three column have a pivot entry, and last is a independent variable. So the column space will be in terms of all these 0 0 0 comma t. First all three will be 0, and the x4 will be t, and anything. So the first one is having second entry is 1, that is not correct. Second entry, second option is also having third option 1, it is also not correct. The third it will be option having third entry 1, it is also not correct. The fourth is 0 0 0 1, this is correct. Okay, let's see this question. Let A be a 4 cross 3 matrix, B is a 3 4 4 matrix. The null spaces of A and B are 2 and 4 dimensional vector space respectively. Then what is the maximum possible rank of the matrix AB? Okay, A is a 4 cross 3, B is a 3 cross 4 matrix. So null space A is saying that a 2 dimensional vector space, it is R2. So its nullity will be 3 minus 2, it will be 1. Nullity will be 3 minus 2. Nullity will be 4 cross 3 matrix. Rank is 2. So 3 minus 2, nullity is 2. No? Dimension null space. This null space having 2. So nullity is 2, and rank is 3 minus 2. Yes. The rank will be 3 minus 2. Let's have a different color. This 3 minus 2, because it's a 3-dimensional matrix, and nullity is 2, so rank will be 3 minus 2. Here the nullity is 4, so rank will be 4 minus 4, it will be 0. So rank A is 1 and rank B is 0, and so we have to find the rank AB. It is the minimum of rank A and rank B, and it is 0. So answer will be 0. Okay. Next question. Shubham, Paulmi, Silfa, Rafael, and Vicky bought the same type of pen drive from a shop. They are ratings, the rating based question, where if one person is giving 2-star rating, they are rating from 1 star to 5 star, it will be giving 2 star, then 0 1 1 0 0. In 2 star, it will be 1. If it is giving 5 star, then 5 star will be 1, other will be 0 option. So let's see the questions. If Shubham and Paulmi both gave 2-star rating, Asifa and Rafael gave 1-star rating, and Vicky gave 3-star rating. See, Shubham and Paulmi gave 2-star. Okay, 2% is giving 2-star. Asirfa and Rafael both gave 1-star, 2% giving 1-star, and Vicky gave 3-star rating, and Vicky gave 3-star rating. Then the dimension of the vector space is given by the matrix. Let's see what is the dimension. Dimension means the number of column having pivot entry. Here you can see there are first two rows having same pivot entry. We can apply for RREF, then it will be one will be 0 and one will be there. So here 3, we can see clearly there are 3 column who will be having 3 pivot entry after RREF. So the dimension will be 3. Option 1 is right. Second, Shubham and Vicky gave 3-star, Paulmi gave 2-star, Sifa gave 5-star, and Rafael gave 1-star. So here the pivot entry will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So dimension will be 4. And the third option having 3-star, 1-star, 2-star, 4-star, and 5-star rating. 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. All having different stars. So all 5 column have a pivot entry. So dimension will be 5. Okay. And the last one is saying that 2-star and 1-star, the dimension will be 2. An option having 1, that's why it is wrong. Come to the next question. Consider the matrix corresponding to the rating given in table. Which was the following statement about the matrix null space? Asking about null space. What is the null space? Solution space. Now you can see the x3 and x4. 2 is the independent variable. So let's take it t1 and t2, and rest of x1, x2, and x5 will be 0. So its null space will be 0 0, t1, t2, 0. Okay. In t1, t2 place you can have any vector. So 1 1, and it will be nullity will be 2. So set this having space the null space, no, because it's having the x1 position and x2 position, it should be 0, so it will not. And the second having x3 and x4, yes, x3 and x4 having 1, this will be the null space and the nullity will be 2, because the variable is independent variable are 2. Okay, come to the 10th question. What will be the rank of the matrix defining the above question? The number rank will number of column having pivot entry. How many column having pivot entry? x1, x2, and x5. 3 column. So number of rank will be 3. Okay. That's all, guys. Thank you.